Hello everyone, welcome back with me, William, in another tutorial video. This time, I'm going to show you how you can utilize a platform called Canva to assign certain tasks or assignments for your students, especially something that deals with creativity. So this time is very special because we're going to use smartphones to get the simple job done. So make sure that you keep on watching. So, what is Canva? Canva is an online platform that anyone can use to create a decent design like presentation, invitation, posters, letters, social media posts, and many more. Because you can choose from hundreds of thousands of free templates. Canva is a good choice if you're new to designing things or if you don't have any Photoshop skill. You can use your web browser or you can download an app from your mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. And the amazing things about this platform is that anyone can create a free account to use it without needing an extra charge. But if you want to use certain elements, you need to upgrade your account to premium one. So let's get started. Alright, so the project that we are going to see is poster presentation. So I designed this poster using only Canva and some elements I found on the internet. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's get. Okay, so now what I want you to do is, if you don't have any Canva app installed on your mobile device, I encourage you to download it right from the Play Store. So first, open your smartphone and then, of course, you can head to the Play Store to find the app and then download it to your smartphone. So let's go over the search bar and type Canva, okay, and then let's search the app. Okay, so now you find the Canva application. So it says Canva graphic design, video collage, and logo maker. And then you tap install button so that it can install to your smartphone. So in this case I have installed it on my phone, so it is right here as you guys can see. Alright, so then after you install it on your phone, you can right tap on the application and it will automatically open so that you can start to create your own creation or design. So this is the layout of the application for the first time when you are new to this application, Canva application. So the layout is very simple and easy to remember. On the top, you can find the search bar. In this search bar, search bar will make you easier to find all the design that you want to use. For example, if you want to make a design of an invitation, you can just type invitation, and then all the options of invitation appears on your eyes. Also, for example, when you type, let's say, poster, you can type poster and bam, it is right in front of your eyes. Just the functions of a search bar is to make your experience in finding things that you want become easier. Okay, alright, so the other option or the other menu is when you see on the bottom of the applications, you find home. Home is the first thing that you see when you open the applications, and in here there are lots of example of templates that you can use to so you have clear pictures about what kind of design that you want to use. So there are lots of free template in here that you can use to make your own design, or you can, for example, you can click and make new one and use all the elements that you need to create your own project. But beside that, you can use all the free templates in here. So as you can see, there are tons of free templates that you can use, starting from Instagram posts, Instagram stories, poster, which we are going to use it later, and then logos. You can create logos, and then presentations, of course. Besides the usual software like Microsoft PowerPoint, you can create a stunning designs of presentations in Canva application. And after the home, which we are seeing right now, there is design section where you can find all of your designs, things that you have designed on your own in these sections. So for example, you can see all the design that I have made and I have downloaded to be used on my social media or on my all projects. And then of course there is menu. This is where you find your account informations and also the other options as well. Alright, so right now we are ready to go. We are ready to create our own poster presentation for poster presentation project. So the first thing that you can do is, okay, keep that in mind that you can use all the free templates available on Canva. So this is free and you are permitted to use or to modify it in the way you like it, because it is approved by all the designers that put their own project or their own templates on Canva. And beside that, if you have enough skills in designing, you can create your own thing right from the scratch. For example, if you want to do your own poster designed without using all the free available templates, you can click the start button over here and then you click on poster, and it will automatically open the blank page so that you can start to design your own. But first, it is also will suggest you in using all the free templates here. So you can see there are tons of free templates that you can use for your own presentations. But if you are interested in designing your own, you can start from the scratch, from the blank page, and then when you click the plus button over the right corner, it will open some options that you can insert to make your own poster. For example, the template that I have explained before that you can use. For example, when you click on one of these templates, for example this one, okay, it will it is open and you can ready to do some adjustments, or you can modify everything in here. Like for example, you can edit the text, you can change the font and everything that you need to change to make your own poster according to your liking. And also let's say another feature is, for example, when you click the plus button, there is also options for upload. This is where you can upload all the things that you can find, for example, from your internet that is not available on the Canva applications. So this is the things that I uploaded for my previous projects. And also when you click the plus button, there is photos options, The text options is where you can insert all the text, different kinds of fonts and styles that you can use to make your own poster becoming more interesting. And also there is audio, videos, gallery, background, and background is where you can change all the background of your own design. So for example, when I click the background and then I want to change the background from the previous template that I use, I can choose the background. For example, let's choose this one, and then it will automatically change the background. So okay, to highlight the one of the most important tools in here, that is the elements. In this, all the elements that you want to include on your own designs are available, and you can find from, for example, the lines, to make line and shapes. There are tons of shapes that you can use, and then frame, stickers, charts, grids, and etc. So you can insert all of this on your own design or on the free template that you choose to modify. Alright, so that is the brief explanations about what you can do on Canva. That is when you choose to, for example, use the available templates that you can modify to make your own design. But in here, to make it simple, if you don't have any design skills, as I mentioned earlier, you can use the available templates, and then you can modify it to your own design. So for example, in this tutorial we are going to decide the theme. The theme is, for example, coronavirus. So we are going to make a poster about coronavirus for the poster presentations. And then let's click the home button. Alright, let's wait. Okay, so now let's head to the poster sections and click see all. And in here you can see there are many templates to use to make your own presentations or make your own poster presentations about coronavirus. So let's select one, and then we can modify it and we can apply it. Let's set this one. Okay. Alright, so now that it is opened and ready to use, so now we are ready to modify it to make our own coronavirus poster. So let's get ready. So now we are ready to modify this poster into our theme, that is coronavirus. So our poster contains all the informations about all the relevant informations about coronavirus theme. So because this is as you can see, this is contains information about classroom rules, it is time for us to change all of the text here and also put some elements related to the coronavirus poster. Alright, so now let's change this writing, the classroom rules. For example, maybe we can type how to prevent COVID-19, and then after we type the headings, and then let's make some adjustments so the very simple way that you can adjust is you can drag from this corner, or you can click over here, and then you can see all the options to change the layout of the text are available in the bottom of the applications. For example, if you want to change the font, let's see all the available fonts here. For example, this one, how to prevent COVID-19, or this one. You can choose many kinds of font to make it look more different, or they can just stick to the previous design. You can use this font, and then we set apply. Okay, so now let us remove some unwanted elements that is in this poster. Let's erase this one, erase this one, erase this one, and also this one. And then what we are going to do is now click this plus button and try to find some elements. But first, but you have to have in your mind that all the elements that you want to use should be put on your mind first. Okay, so let's search for the mask, because we want to prevent the spread of coronavirus. We need mask, of course. And then use this one, the mask, and then we can resize this, or if you are interested in other design, let's find other designs. Let's choose mask and then choose this one. I think this one looks better because it provides information that family can use mask, because there is a picture of people using mask, and then we can edit the information in here. Let's type wear mask. Wear mask every day. And then let's make some adjustments, or just simply we type wear mask. And then okay, the first tip is wear mask. And then let's move to the next column. In over here, besides the wear mask, we need to do wash our hands. So we type on the elements and then search the, for example, the elements of hand washing, and then we found there are tons of elements that we can use to represent hand wash. We use this one, and okay, let's put over here, and then let's edit the text. Let's type always wash your hand for 20 seconds. Alright, and then let's move over here, and then we try to find another elements, or we have to think about the other way to prevent COVID-19. First we have wear mask, and then we have always wash your hand for 30 seconds, and then this one probably do social distancing. Let's find the elements of social distancing over here. Social distancing. Okay, we find these elements, and then as you can see, there are many elements of social distance over here. Okay, let's choose the appropriate one. Let's choose let's say this one. this one, and then we adjust the image or the elements, and we edit the information. Let's say do social distancing up to 2 meters. Okay, and now we have wear mask, always wash your hand for 30 seconds, and then do social distancing. And now we have to think about the fourth ways to prevent COVID-19. Let's head over this session, and then we click on the elements and we type so after social distancing, let's say we need to eat healthier food so that our body can form an immune system, so that it will prevent the virus better. So let's type healthy food, and then we search the healthy food. Okay, there are many elements of healthy food over here, and then we choose the one that we like. For example, we choose this one. Okay, we need to wait for the elements to load, and then let's put over here, and we just adjust the size, and then we edit the information. Eat healthy food. Alright, so now the last step of the how to prevent COVID-19 is we first have wear mask, and then always wash your hand for 30 seconds, and then do social distancing up to 2 meters, and then eat healthy food. And the last one, I think it's to do exercise every day for 30 minutes. And then let's find the elements of the exercise or doing some sport activity, and then we type in this search element, we type exercise, and then click enter, and you can see it loads all the available elements of exercising on the Canva. So let's choose the one that we like. Okay, so let's choose this one, and then we put over here, and then okay, we change the informations, we edit the informations. Always exercising, always exercise 15 to 30 minutes a day. Alright, so now that our poster of how to prevent COVID-19 is ready, and now okay, so now we are ready to download our poster. Okay, so what you have to do here, you have to make sure that all of the elements are aligned together, and the information provided is relevant, and then you can start to post or download your poster presentation. So over here on the top, you see the arrow down options, and then you click this one, and then it will download your poster. Or you can click on this side, over here, and then there is many more options that you can choose. For example, print posters, and then save as, and then share the link to the poster presentations of yours, and then save the transparency, and then you can also post on your social media like Facebook and then Twitter, and also you can send the email. But let's choose save as over here, and then let's you can choose to download as the PDF or the JPEG or the photo extensions, and also the PNG. But I always use PNG extensions so that I can get the high quality image for my poster. So I'm gonna click PNG, and then in here you can adjust the size of your file. So for my ideal size of posters, I also use this size 1.5, and then we click download, and we have to wait until the download sessions finish. Alright, so now it is finished, and it will automatically save your design on your account in the cloud, and also it will automatically save the poster on your device in the gallery app. So let's see the result of our demonstrations of the Canva app. So we open the we go back, and then we open the gallery applications, and we can see over here we in the sections of a new folder called Canva, and we can see our posters of how to prevent COVID-19 for our poster presentation project is done. Alright, so now you know how to create your own poster presentation using Canva. I hope that this tutorial or this demo is very useful if you are new to Canva app. And as I already mentioned, that you can create many kinds of designs. For example, poster presentations, invitations, and then letters, and then documents or presentations using Canva. So basically, Canva is a very useful app for everyone and everywhere to create a stunning and creative design. So thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video presentation. Thank you. Goodbye.